Market manipulation is one of the reasons why we forex traders lose money a lot in the market. If you don't know how to deal with market manipulation, you're going to have so much unbearable loss in the forex market. I remember when I came into forex new, I always take a trade according to my strategy, and I know that this trade is going well, but all of a sudden this trade is going to hit my stop loss before going back to my profit zone, and that was so annoying and unbearable loss for me. So I keep wondering what is happening and why is this always happening. And I know it has happened to most of you traders there, because market manipulation is something that always happens to most traders out there, trust me. So I was able to create a strategy to deal with this market manipulation for good, because I know that if I don't deal with market manipulation, I'll keep having unbearable loss and keep losing money in the forex market. So I created this strategy to deal with market manipulation, and this strategy has been working for me 90% of the time. So on this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to come up with this strategy to deal with market manipulation for good. All right, guys, we are on the screen right now. Real quick, I'll show you guys how I overcome market manipulation, basically stop loss hunting. This is gold pair. We're going to be analyzing this pair right now to use it as an example. The market is closed today, Saturday today. So first of all, I'm going to go down to my 1 month time frame. Then from my 1 month time frame, that's where I start to analyze the chart. First of all, get my support and resistance. Then I'll go down to 1 week. I'll make sure everything is intact. Slowly, I'll go back to 1 day, daily time frame. Make sure I'm getting everything correctly. Make sure I'm getting everything correctly. I'll go down to the 4 hours. We all have different strategy, but on this video, I'll be showing you guys how I deal with market manipulation, stop loss hunting. So this is 4 hours right here. So we are on gold pair. As you can see, in the normal strategy, this is now forming a lower low, which is a confirmation of a downtrend. So this right here is a zone, guys. This right here is a zone. This right here is a zone. This also is a zone right here. So when you are setting your zones, using the horizontal line only can cause you a big loss. instead of using the horizontal line only, which are these lines here, these white lines here, I use my rectangular to scarp out the full support or resistance zones. Because if you're using the horizontal line and you're taking a trade, for example, right now, let me remove this horizontal line here. Let's say we are taking a sell trade here and we're waiting for the market to pull back here before we enter a sell. So let's say we set our pending order right here. And let's use here. So we are waiting for the market to pull up so we can sell from here. The market is going up, so we are waiting for the market to pull over here so we can sell. Should be a buy limit. So we are setting the buy limit here. But when the market pulls over here, and we set our stop loss here. And there. And our profit target here. So now you see, guys, if you're just using the horizontal line alone, when the market pulls up here and trigger your pending order, which is here, you can see that the market pulled up a little bit before going down. So this can actually trigger your stop loss right there, and you're out of the market. And you can see, boom, the market start going back down, and down and down to your TP. So how I deal with this is I use the rectangular, which is setting up the resistance zone. Setting up the resistance zone like this, because if you can see on this zone, there's so many weak candles, and remember the market always make a weekly wick. There's so many weak candles here that can trigger you before the market goes down. The same thing happens here. If you're buying, if you're selling right here and the market is pulling up, you can see that it got to this place and it triggered up a little before going down. It made a wick. So that wick can actually haunt your stop loss very, very well. It happens most of the time. If you're using just a rectangle, a horizontal line, if you're using just a horizontal line to get your support and your resistance, you will mostly be out of the market before the market start going to your profit zone. So what I do, I use my rectangular to identify the full support and the full resistance zones, even though the market makes wicks. Like you can see, it made a wick here, it made a wick here, and all that. So you can't just use a horizontal line. You have to use a rectangular to also identify the wicks and the correct zones and support and resistance. So you can see now when we have this zone here, when we are setting our orders, we can easily put our stop loss above the zone. Your stop loss should be like few pips above the zone. Then you can set your targets closer on the horizontal line, because definitely if it always breaks this out of the horizontal line, it's going to still trigger your order. So now you have your orders on the horizontal line and you have your stop loss above the rectangular, which is the max place you know that a wick can make that is not going to trigger your stop loss. So let's go back now. Watch now. If the market is coming up and your sell stop is here, your buy limit is here, which you are planning to sell. So the market got up here, hit your order here. You can see, hit your order, make a little candle to the up, came back down inside your profit zone, went back up. If you're using a horizontal line, you're going to be out of the market already. Went back up to this place. It looks like it's going up, it's breaking out, but it's not breaking out. That is market manipulation right there. When it went up to the upside, came back to your profit zone, went back up, this is how the market manipulates you to take you out of the market before even going down to your profit. You can see right here. So it came back and pulled back up, looking like it was breaking out. That was a fake out. It wasn't breaking out. It was actually just manipulating you to take your stop loss because the market is so eager to take you out of the market before going to your profit zone. So it's trying to take you out first before going to your profit zone. So you can see right here that the market came back and start pulling back to your profit zone up to your TP. This is how I deal with market manipulation a lot. You can see this is a zone right here too. You can see the weak candle it made before going up. If you enter into this market, if you set a pending order in this market, let's say you're setting a sell limit, you're planning to buy, and you're just using the horizontal line, and you set your stop loss somewhere around here, and this market triggers your order, it's going to hit your stop loss before even going to your profit. So in able to deal with this, you can correspond with the previous weeks it has made when it got to that zone. So in able to deal with this, you need a rectangular. You put up your rectangular, you use your rectangular to identify the full support zone. So you won't be able, so the market is not going to be able to knock you out. So in this aspect, you have identified support zone. Then your stop loss now can be above the support zone. You can see right here. So even if the market triggers your order and keep coming down to the downside, acting like it's breaking out, it's not going to hit your stop loss before it's going to go back up to your profit zone. You can see very well here. This is how the market manipulates traders a lot. Take traders out of the market before going to their profit zone. It happened to me a lot when I first got into forex. I was knocked out of the trade every single time. It was too much that I had to be saying, what is going on? What is going on? Why do I have so much loss on my account? And why do this trade keep hitting my stop loss before going to my profit zone? But here, I had to create a strategy to deal with it. And trust me, this strategy has been working 90% of the time. It has been preventing me from getting too much loss in my account with this rectangular zones, support and resistance zones, to get the full support and resistance zone, whereby even if the market is acting like it's faking out, it's breaking out, before going to your profit zone, is not going to hit your stop loss before going to your profit zone. So in that way, you are going to be able to overcome stop loss hunting. So guys, this is the end of the video today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to any trader out there that have been going through one or two difficulty in terms of stop loss hunting and market manipulation. You can be of help to that trader. Share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, for more knowledge on forex trading and business tips to help you be profitable in the financial market. Without being said more, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.